And he mutes his mic. Morgan, can you not? Can you actually not? We
See
want
what
you to
I was
actually
saying?
join us.
Or what we were saying, rather.
You just whatever.
Morgan.
Morgan.
Morgan, if you're not gonna actually participate, maybe you shouldn't even be in this.
I'm just waiting.
Waiting for what?
Waiting for
waiting
what?
for?
Why do you say these things and then stop talking? Like, it makes me angry. I hate people who do that shit.
Who wrote
It's
Party
not
Rock
funny.
Anthem? Who wrote Party Rock Anthem?
Morgan, I'm gonna come to your house and fucking stab you.
I'm gonna come to your house and
Do it.
love you.
Let's just do it.
Okay, Jesus. Alright. So last time on D&D, which was literally 3 hours ago,
Last time on Frontier,
something. Well,
In the
yeah,
Final
last time on Frontier.
we blasted out
Um,
from a gas station after
Blew up the gas station.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's right. That did, yeah, that happened.
Yeah, and you fought some robots. Yeah, congratulations. Morgan, by the way, if you didn't hear, it's 200 XP you got.
Yeah,
If
I
you didn't
saw.
apply. Okay. So, where do you guys want to go next? You have 3 choices.
Mining.
Asteroid belt.
Yeah, the mining colony
I want to go to the penal colony.
sounds lame.
Alright, well, Morgan's the
I don't wanna-
tiebreaker.
I don't want to suck up the penal code.
Well, that's just prison place. PP. Good old.
That's not even a tiebreaker.
What do you mean? It's not?
Yeah, to be honest, the prison thing doesn't sound as interesting as something like
Because
the
I
mining
said
thing.
the mining colony, and the mining asteroid colony thing, and so did Freedom.
Oh yeah, it's not a tiebreaker then. Whoops. I guess it wouldn't matter. We'd have to have Theo. Which Theo just wants to go to Chuck E. Cheese.
We
Anyway.
can take him to Chuck E. Cheese.
Is there a space
Uh,
Chuck E. Cheese?
Yeah, Space Chuck E. Cheese. And of course there's a Space Chuck E. Cheese. Alright, so
I
you
love Tetris.
type in the coordinates to the mining colony in the ship, whoever the fuck is piloting, and you set a course. Which
I don't need to set.
will take you a little bit.
Oh, I guess I do. All right. Fine.
So now you can get a little bit more familiar with the ship if you aren't already, or you can rest up from your last 2 little adventures.
Yeah.
Right. That was. We need to talk to this werewolf person that was being hunted by the police.
It's
Oh right.
Who?
oh yeah, we have that.
So where is she right now?
She is sort of wandering the ship because none of you really watched her, and she's currently in the cargo hold.
Okay.
Rip.
What the
I
fuck,
fucking-
guys?
Well, to be
The
fair, you
fuck,
just
Richard?
dragged her in, Freedom.
I mean,
I
it
did.
was that or getting murked by the fucking
I
robots.
dragged her.
So I just run straight to the cargo hold with the taser at the ready and handcuffs to go
Jetpacks.
get this bitch.
Floppy,
She's wanted.
I don't care if she's wanted. She's like 12.
How much is the money?
10,000 legal credits.
I get the money, right? Because I captured her, technically.
Did you? Did you do anything?
Yeah, I grabbed her and dragged her
Yeah.
into the ship.
That's only
Yeah,
because I
he
failed my
did.
dex rolls like twice.
However, you don't get the money until
You
you
turn
take
around.
her to the police. Yeah,
I'm
you turn her
saying
in.
this to everyone. I get the money.
No, you're not. You're not getting any money. We're not turning her in. She's like 12.
I smack a bitch and say, I'm taking the money.
Well, what? You smack a bitch? Which one?
You.
How?
Ooh, kill him.
Thomas's sleeves are already rolled up, but he rolls them up even more.
You're about to
And he's
fucking
like-
fight a bitch.
Yeah. He's like,
Just rip off
fucking
the sleeves.
Square up right now. I'll fight you. I'll fight you.
I'm
for this
heading to the
girl's
cargo
life."
hold.
You do what?
Either way, I'm heading to the cargo hold.
You're not going
I
anywhere
grab-
until this fucking fight is over.
I'm
grabbed
going
by
to at
the
least
collar.
restrain her while she's on my ship.
Why do you need to restrain her?
She still should be. She still could be a danger. I could not talk.
She was
I
literally
grabbed-
couldn't talk in the stall next to me because of how
Or-
fucking afraid she was.
Because the things were gonna kill her.
Yeah!
I'm gonna take her alive.
Yeah, they probably think that if you go in there with a fucking taser and handcuffs, like, you think she's gonna be, she's gonna be cool with it? She's gonna be perfectly mentally stable? That's the best thing to do? Go down there, bring her a plate of fucking cookies or something, Irish cream, I don't care.
Oh, yeah.
Give it to her.
That sounds really
How
good
tall
right
is
now.
Thomas?
He's like 6'3".
Alright, I step right up to Thomas and look down the 1 inch eye level difference and say, I'm getting that money.
You'll take the money out of my cold, dead hands. You fake ass bitch. I thought we were cool.
So, Theo is currently asleep in a bunk.
Cool.
Yes.
So you go ahead, you get millions of dollars from this fucking dead guy, whom we were in on that. I broke bread with you, man. And now you go back, and for 10,000 measly dollars, you're willing to sell another person's life.
Not even just dark currency; it's legal currency.
Yeah. To be fair, Jared, you're mostly in it for the illegal money.
Hey, money is money.
That is true, though.
Yeah.
All right.
Now
I
I
continue
well,
looking into your eyes and say, I can do this the easy way, I can do this the hard way. I'm getting that money.
Choice is yours.
Trish just says that.
She's like in the cockpit, just
Yeah.
sort of sitting there
I
monitoring
came
everything.
here looking for booty.
I see, I like you, and I want you. Now we can do this the easy way. Or we can,
Or we can do this the hard way. The choice is
The choice
yours.
is yours.
Well,
I know who you are, Chris Hansen. But see, I calls you Chris Handsome.
I I respect you far too much. I respect you far too much to lay a hand on you. And I'm gonna wait for you to throw the first punch. If you ever gonna do that? Do you have the
I'm too
guts? Do you feel
I'm too
lucky?
classy to
Punk?
start a fight.
What?
So I'm too classy to start a fight.
Oh,
So I
Yeah.
sort of scoff and say, stop me if you can when you get to the next
Nothing
stage.
personal, kid.
I guess we can decide about it when we actually get to the next
no, I want to figure this out now.
police outpost.
Thomas pushes he pushes Revra to the side, and storms off down to the cargo hold.
I don't storm. I walk briskly, but with a commanding presence, and put my hand on one of my knives in my pocket.
An unstoppable force versus an immovable object.
And go and follow you into the cargo hold.
I like to imagine two very different styles of power, move, walk. Doesn't make any sense. Thomas walks past you and you're he's like a veteran, and then Revra walks past you, and you're like, oh, and he's just so graceful and proper.
Yeah,
It's two very different kinds of respect.
At this point, I just follow both of you.
Thomas hears the rustling, and he's assuming that you're going to draw a weapon. He's like, this is a pirate criminal man. He's going to absolutely fight dirty. But we make it down the cargo hold, and what do we see, Seth?
The little girl
You see a
isn't.
chained up naked little girl.
Okay.
God.
Oh my god.
That's not no. Don't do that.
Even Morgan's like, no.
You just sort of see
What
the.
do you mean, Mr. Morgan?
That was too good.
You better square up.
Look,
Step the fuck up, Kyle. Step the
No,
fuck
what the
up.
fuck did you say, Revra? What the fuck, dude? Step the fuck
Shut the
up.
fuck up, Clyde.
Okay. So what's there? What's in the cargo hold?
You sort of just see the engineer working on the skimmer land vehicle, and she's like occasionally getting up from the working on it and looking at some boxes and then going back to it.
Is the girl there?
Nope, you don't see her there.
Wait a second.
Hey!
This is a little bit of a.
Laura, where's the little wolf girl?
Last time I saw her, she was looking in one of the smuggler compartments.
Oh, all right.
Fuck.
I guess we're going there then. And then we can do that. We can just go there.
Yeah.
it's
I
very
don't know
weird.
these
It's very.
smuggler compartments, do I?
You've seen Floppy take some stuff out of one of them. However, you don't know all the locations of them.
It's very.
Which one was
awkward
it?
Because we just walked into the room, and now we're walking out of the room, and Thomas still wants to act like he knows what he's doing.
I walk to the one that I saw and open it.
Okay, that's the one just outside of Medical Bay.
Yeah.
In it, you see a stash of possibly illegal drugs. Possibly legal. You don't really know. But, just some drugs.
I grab a handful of drugs.
Okay.
I love drugs.
Some of them are some stem packs. Some of them are, like, space weed.
Grab a handful of space weed.
Well, speed weed.
Weed.
Co-produced by Speed Weed.
Oh god.
You want to go fast, kiddo?
So it's the one just outside the cargo bay, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll check.
She ain't there.
I'm gonna check the one by the cockpit.
None of us know any of these spaces
Yeah,
in actuality.
I don't know. I don't know about
I-
these.
Okay, then I escort Thomas to one of the locations, and I'll move up to the next one. So, like, Thomas, follow me.
Alright.
We walk down the hallway and I just go. Over here, there's 2 smuggler bays. Go ahead and check them. I'll check the one over here.
Alright.
I follow you both, with my hand still on my knife at the ready.
He's ready to cut a bitch.
All right. So Floppy, the one, actually, Thomas should do his first. In one of them, you see a atomic annihilator.
The fuck is that thing?
It annihilates atoms atomically.
Yeah, it destroys.
Atom!
It.
Adam.
Adam. My God, I fucking love that.
What's the smallest core of matter? It's just a picture of his face.
Why? Because he's the only thing that matters.
No, because he says atom. Dumbass. Idiot
I think.
dumbass.
I think.
I really love that
Dumbass.
fucking. I really love that fucking vine though.
Yeah, no, it's great.
Hi, welcome to Chili's. Did you know that he and the Welcome to Chili's guy are brothers?
Yeah, I knew that.
Yeah, really?
You know that, huh?
Yeah, they're twins.
That is
Yep.
okay. Yeah, I can see that now. Yeah.
Anyway, so the one that you searched, Freedom or Thomas, has an atomic annihilator in it, and the one next to it sort of has some ammo, like really big boxes of ammo, which are for the ship's guns.
Why the fuck are they hidden in the smuggler department again?
Because they're illegal rounds. You're using illegal rounds for the weapons on your ship.
Hamilton like stares at him for a bit, and his eyes soften, but then he closes the door.
Okay.
So what about mine?
Yours, you find that all the items in it are missing, and the vent that it's connected to is off.
Fuck's sake! What was in this compartment?
Explosives. Lots of explosives.
Didn't Sheila tie this girl up?
No, I didn't. I didn't have a chance to.
I thought you did that while we were fighting.
Nope. Thomas was blocking the door.
I wasn't blocking the door. I was in the door for like not even 30 seconds.
Oh.
I was,
I didn't know that then.
I was protecting the little girl.
Yeah, Thomas was blocking her from moving, though.
I was?
Yeah, you said, like, I'm not letting you leave, and you blocked both Revra and her out from moving.
Why did I do that?
I don't know! You were the one who said, I'm not letting you leave, and you said you blocked them.
Yeah, I think I do remember you saying that.
I need to go back and figure out why I did that, because I don't remember doing that, and I don't think that's
God,
a
you
thing that I
dumbass.
do. But I guess it happened. So alright.
I don't remember you blocking them, but I do remember you saying something like, "No, we need to figure this out now. No one's leaving," or something like that.
I was
Oh, yeah,
probably
yeah.
talking to the girl in the bathroom stall.
Girl in the
Remember she was
bathroom
like-
stall.
And I was like, you have to make a decision right now what we're doing. Because they're coming in here.
All right, so basically, I completely failed my investigation role.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll just...
I got a 1.
I'll walk in
What
there.
is- What exactly was in the in that smuggler bag?
Personnel shields.
Nothing personnel shield.
Shut up, Morgan. And, some explosives. Like
Right.
C4 and grenades and stuff.
So, Thomas walks past the room with the open vent in it, and he's like, oh, fuck. That's probably where she went. And this will be insight, which is +4. Wait a second, this isn't mine. Hold on. This isn't my character sheet.
do you have someone else's open, you
That was
bitch?
That was my character sheet for different...
Amateurs.
Yeah, well, yeah. So I'm
Do I have to
opening-
roll to climb up into that vent?
The vent is too big, or sorry, too small for all of you guys.
Okay, here. My investigation or my insight is +6. I'm gonna use insight to see if I can spot any wolf people tracks or evidence that she actually climbed into the vent.
It's +6. 7. Okay. You sort of spot like a sort of muddy looking footprint, sort of in the vent itself, and that's pretty much all the evidence that she was there.
Well, she's in the vent. It's time to climb into the vent, guys. Who's the smallest?
Seth just said the vent can't fit any of us.
None of you will fit in the vent.
Oh. Does it? Bless you.
What about Laura?
Laura is small. She is 18, but she might be able to fit in the vent if you use butter.
If you use butter.
Get the butter.
If you
I
use
yell
lube.
into the vent. We all have space suits, and we can open the airlocks, and we can kill you if you don't come out.
That's what I was gonna suggest that.
Do we all have spacesuits?
I don't know.
You only have 3 spacesuits because you didn't expect a large crew.
Fuck.
I mean, it's
Also,
gotta
your
be
your
a
helmet is airtight, by the way. So technically, you have enough. Actually, you have only enough for all but one person.
There's gotta be a. I'm sure I can
Wait,
hold my breath.
He's
for
a
long
robot,
enough.
though.
No, I'm a cyborg. I still have to breathe.
Oh. Anyway, my intimidation, I believe that would be, is +2. My roll to 10 total.
You don't get a response from the vent. However, not long before you yelled that, does the intercom system, the built-in intercom system on the ship, open up and say, "Hi, you fucking retards! Thanks for letting me on your ship and let me touch your shiny things.
You dumbass.
I know that you don't have enough suits to open all the airlocks."
I yell back, "I'm not friends with these assholes. I don't give a shit about them."
Oh, then
I'll
maybe
kill
you
them.
should. Oh, then maybe you should just go ahead and open the airlocks then.
I will. And I go and grab an air suit. Or space
I
suit.
raise my pistol at Revra. Yeah, you're not fucking doing that, you fucking idiot.
I pull my pistol out and
Dumbass.
point it back.
You think I'm not? You think I'm a fucking afraid of you? You little shit! Fuck! God damn it! Every fucking time, it's like I open up. Look at me. Look, Thomas Hamilton was nice to one person his entire fucking life, and look what they went and fucking did. Yeah, thanks for making me look like a fucking idiot. Fuck! I want to. You know what? Fuck you guys. Put the spacesuits on. Turn the air off. Kill this little shit. I don't give a fuck if I die. I don't fucking care. Do it. Do it. Do it. Fucking kill me. Do it.
Shit.
Holy shit, Freedom. I'm actually
are you
worried
okay?
for sanity.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
No,
I'm fine.
That sounds
Thomas
like
is not
that
fine.
sounded like it fucking hurt.
No, I mean real. Like outside of the game, are you okay?
Fine. It's
Yeah, I'm all right.
I couldn't tell if that was
I
in
can
or
come
out.
over if you want. I don't want you to die.
You need a hug.
I'm fine. I told you I'm fine.
Alright.
Oh,
Okay.
dude,
I just
that's
watched
great. We
this.
both have that recorded.
I watch Thomas's explosion and say, I'll give you a spacesuit, but I think she's the one that won't. And point at Sheila. I continue to point my gun at Sheila because she's pointing her gun at me.
I'm, still putting my gun at Revra. I just said, Thomas, I trust you more than a fucking pirate scumbag. Who, from day one, I've been wanting to shoot in the head or turn in.
Hey, I guess that's one thing we have in common.
Oh my fucking god! Neither of you kill each other. You're missing the point. We're trying to kill this kid, not even. I told you, I'm fine. I'll be fine.
You're
okay?
tearing me apart.
You're-
You're tearing me apart, Lisa.
No, it's not. It's not that I care about either of you. You guys are just so. Look,
So
I don't care about you. Okay, I don't care about you. All right.
The
I'm just saying that it's fucking stupid to kill each other over some stupid dumb shit.
the little
I
brat,
need my money.
the little brat gets on the intercom again. I can hear you all fighting. You know, I could cut you a deal and leave.
You
the
stay out of
village."
this.
Boy, Mr. Helpful, I
right.
thought you were going to help me get home.
I don't give. Look, all right. I'm gonna use my inside voice now.
Oh my god.
I don't give a flying fuck if you make it home as a fucking pile of sloppy Joe, or if you make it home one piece, or you never make it home at all because you just get fucking obliterated in the deepest depths of space, torn into fucking pieces by a god like fucking black hole. I don't give a shit anymore. You know why? Because you may be fucking.
Stop!
No.
Stop!
What?
Stop! No! Mid sentence, you get cut off by an explosion hitting your ship.
Oh shit. I run to the cockpit and see what the fuck that was.
I continue to grab an air suit, space suit, whatever they want to call them. Where are they?
They would be where the ladder is, so right next to the cockpit.
All right, yeah. Then I grab a suit and put it on.
Floppy, you notice that the sensors lit up on the ship, revealing another ship is trailing you, and has just fired at you.
Oh fuck.
Are these your friends?
No, but you might have made some of those friends back there.
I don't know.
What just happened?
The Yorha attack ship that was at the bar has followed you. It gets on the
What's happening?
transmitter, and the robots are following you.
Oh, all right.
It gets on the transmitter and says, "Drop the alien, and you can go free."
All right.
I get on the transmitter and say, "Look, you pay me. I need the money."
It just misses your ship by firing another bolt. I will kill all of you. She is wanted dead or alive.
Yeah, Thomas just like
Well,
pushes.
we
he,
got her
like,
first. You suck.
pushes Rever to the
Like
side.
a middle finger.
I'm not fucking dying over your stupid. I don't give a fuck if you have money. We have the little shit. She's on board. She's terrorizing us. Is there anything you can do to like
I punched
coerce
Thomas.
her out of our fucking vents?
I punched Thomas hard enough to knock him out.
All right, roll for that.
Yeah, you gotta roll for that.
You gotta roll strength, and then I'll roll Constitution.
Yeah, because that's dumb.
Strength is +1.
I have built-in communicator on the ship.
You do. Oh,
All right, I'll roll Constitution.
you know that actually works for your character too.
All right.
You sort of lightly tap on Thomas because you've never been in a real fist fight. You've just stabbed people.
Ooh.
Don't fucking test me. Try me, bitch.
Don't at me.
I go onto the intercom and say, "I'm keeping this bounty for myself." And then I go to one of the weapons, the space weapons.
Okay.
Do the space weapons fire backwards?
There is a cannon that goes 360 degrees, and then everything else is locked to the front.
All right, I go to that cannon, obviously.
Okay.
You guys. Oh fuck.
You run
Oh,
into
God.
the crew quarters and stand up on the
I don't
on
run,
the
I
table.
gracefully walk.
Okay. You walk to the crew quarters and stand on top of the table, which has a bunch of playing cards on it, and you knock them over as you stand up. The table lifts into the air, raising you into a ADS turret.
ADS.
Asteroid defense system. It's mostly used for defense against asteroids, but can be used on ships.
Any object that
Right.
is.
I turn around and fire at the ship.
Okay. I have to roll for every one of your shots
Why do you have to roll?
because the ship itself has to see if it also loses energy.
Oh,
Wait, what kind of firing is this? Is it not just single shot? Big shots?
No, it's fully auto.
All right.
is it lead?
Oh wait, yeah, actually never mind. You do roll because it's ADS uses lead rounds.
What
Never
do
mind.
I roll?
You roll for Dex.
That's what I thought. I roll like this. I roll a
The
+1. So it's
Yeah.
a 9.
the ship sort of nimbly dodges your fire, sort of predicting where your rounds will go.
Also, they're tracer rounds, aren't they?
I don't think tracers work in space, but yeah, they look like tracer rounds.
Hey, I have a
Cheers,
question.
guys.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the outside of the ship look like? Is it like a
Uh,
fashion light ship that's like very functional, or is it like?
Yeah, I feel like it would look like a FTL ship.
Okay. Look. Thomas, like, is anyone even piloting the ship right now, or is it just on auto?
Yeah, okay, I'm here. I was talking to a cute girl over voice chat. What do you fucking want from me?
No, I just like you entering as, yeah, I'm fucking here. I was talking to a cute girl in voice chat. What the fuck?
Hey, you want me to fucking bring her here right now? I can do that shit.
Are you
She's
talking
Do
to
it.
her right now?
I
still?
dare you.
she's kind of neurotic, but
You
I
literally
was
said you said bother me in a half hour, so I waited a half hour and then I bothered you.
well, thanks for thanks. Okay, let's get on with it.
Okay, right now.
I
we're
know,
like-
so she's neurotic, but I'll bring another cute girl in to prove my point.
Okay, I don't, dude. I honestly couldn't. I don't care, but like.
Yeah, I
It
don't
was
care.
Onyx. It was fucking Onyx.
Oh, it was
like
Onyx.
he knows.
Yeah, no, I
He
love
can
Onyx.
fucking back me up on this.
No, I love
Alright,
Onyx. But
so-
we just recovered
The
the
Pokemon?
little girl and blasted off, and right now we are like looking for her because she went completely missing.
Alright.
And like Jared was like, I need to get the bounty on this kid's head, and Thomas was like, no, you can't. She's like 12. And then like we're looking for her, we can't find her. Then over the intercom we hear her being a little shit, telling us
Nice.
that she's in control now or whatever. And she knows that there's no way for us to get rid of her because none of us can fit in the vents. And now the like human robot ship is following us and trying to kill us and demanding that we give them the little girl. To which Thomas Hamilton has done a full 180, and Revra and Sheila are attempting to kill each other over this.
Oh, I know exactly how I'm gonna resolve
Hey,
this
hang on,
fucking
hang on.
problem.
You've just been there.
You've been
cleaning shit
asleep. You've been asleep
Oh.
in your cot.
No, fair enough. Yeah.
So suddenly, as all this commotion starts to happen, Theo just fucking snaps out of his sleep. It's like, what the fuck is going on?
All right. Is there anything else on the ship with us, other than us and like anyone we know of?
Yeah, there's no strangers. It's another engineer that's working here. There's a map of the ship if you need to get your bearings.
So what I'm saying is like, so this jerky
There's
about me
no-
yesterday is really good.
Nice.
What I'm asking is there
There's no
any
nice-
fauna on the ship? Are there any dumb little
No.
like insects? Are there any like rats or any other little gerbils that could have gotten on?
How well do you keep your ship, Sheila?
Well, there's no way this
I mean,
ship.
I've been flying the ship alone, so I'm
Oh, the
looking at the
ship's-
pay for repairs and cleaning.
There's like
Well,
flies on it, on a
Yeah.
pick or something, like one fly, and you...
It's like the luckiest
In
fly in
order to
the
make
world.
this feel less like an ass pull, I think you guys already know where I'm gonna go with this. I need a small animal.
Oh my god.
Can you?
Can I fire at them some more?
Yeah, go ahead and try and
Does
fire.
Google
one.
Images work for you?
Does Google Images work for you?
Oh, I've
You need it to be absolutely clear that it wasn't a typo, you silly shit for brains.
Yet again, the ship is just nimbly dodging your shots. You're on half ammo now.
Okay, Thomas like hops onto the fucking just normal, and he just starts flying the ship and to avoid the rockets. 'Cause we're pelted by rockets right now.
Yeah. Also, at this point, you start to enter the asteroid field.
Oh,
there's
fuck.
asteroids now too.
Yep,
Oh,
there's
fuck.
asteroids in this too.
There's a bit of like pineapple jerky or a bit of pineapple juice in this jerky that adds a bit of a subtle like fruity, like tropical flavor to like the aftertaste.
Welcome to Theo's food reviews.
Yeah.
I'm the report of the week, bitch.
I don't know why I
Nice.
rolled the dice.
Wait, what were
My
you rolling the dice
disappointment
for?
is immeasurable and my day is
I actually
ruined.
hit roll because my mouse was on it.
Okay. Roll again. You're gonna see if you dodge asteroids while dodging fire.
Oh my
Oh,
god,
fuck.
it's a nightmare. Alright.
What happens if the ship gets too damaged?
You either all die or you land or you crash land somewhere.
Well, I'm currently in a spacesuit, so I should be fine from death.
Yeah, I mean, I guess this would be dexterity. Would there be a proficiency?
Yeah.
bonus?
Yeah, you do get a proficiency bonus.
Okay. So that's.
Morgan, I get to roll 20 by the way.
So that would be 15.
Okay. you're just dodging asteroids left and right and above and fucking just
not
dodging
down, though.
fire. Some of the rockets go slamming into the asteroids and it makes smaller ones. It's fucking insane.
It is insane. And does it like does the violent changing of inertia of the ship like bang around the fucking little wolf child in our vents?
No, because it has a gravity tether sort
Oh,
of
so you
thing.
can't even feel it.
Yeah,
Ooh.
you can't feel when the ship is moving.
God, that probably feels really weird too to the pilot.
You had to like see everything moving, but like you're not at all.
Yeah,
It's just like playing a video game.
yeah, that is true though.
That's totally not disorienting
Yeah.
when you're in VR and you're just teleporting.
Mhm.
All right. That's my reaction to pulling out the little ox.
Wait. I
The
just
little-
realized I have a dead gerbil in the med bay.
Why do you have a dead gerbil in the med bay?
Why do you think
It's
someone
dead.
would have a dead gerbil?
To
If it's
test
dead, it
poisons on it.
If it's dead,
Oh.
it won't work.
We could bring it
Oh.
back to life with radiation.
What is
I
it,
rolled
Space
an-
Station
I
13?
rolled a 12 total for another shot, or another round of shots or whatever.
Okay, you managed to just graze the hostile ship. However, it doesn't do enough damage to destroy it.
You're shooting backwards, right?
Yeah.
I could do a. This is like I'm gonna have to roll like dexterity or maybe intelligence for this. I don't know. But like, just like seeing a big, going intentionally right towards a big asteroid, or at least an asteroid that's big enough so that way it's obscured by the ship to the robots, and then swerving right at the last second so they crash into it.
You could try.
Would that be persuasion?
That wouldn't be anything. You're in control. Well, that'd be dexterity, I guess.
The robots can sort of predict your maneuvers.
Right, but if I'm like going right towards a fucking asteroid that they can't see, how are they gonna know that I'm just gonna swerve randomly?
That's true. Try it.
Okay,
Try it.
try it.
Don't roll a 1. Oh, thank God.
Oh shit.
Any bonus I add to this will make it above a 20.
Yeah. So the ship doesn't you don't hit the asteroid, nor does the hostile ship hit it either. It just sort of notices you do a turn and it's far enough back to where it can respawn in kind.
What the fuck?
Oh my God.
This makes me want to GM a Yeehaw Deluxe RPG.
Damn. I miss again.
And you're out of ammo. You got to reload.
Reload. I just reload.
No. You have to yell out to the engineer to reload it for you.
Let's get the engineer to reload for me.
I'm kind of busy trying to keep the engine stable.
I come down, walk to the engineer, and slap her.
You guys think you can hold your breaths longer than this little girl?
I just realized something. So I go running to the med bay.
I don't slap her. I just try to convince her.
Okay.
I'm just like standing around like wondering what the fuck's going
I
on.
convinced
I
her
open my
to do
pack
that.
of Twinkies.
Oh yeah, that's why the Twinkies.
Okay.
All this for a Twinkie?
I'll reload the guns. You get back to the gun.
Alright, I go back to the gun.
She starts reloading them cartridge by cartridge. Okay, it's fully reloaded.
Good.
That didn't take long.
I'm just gonna keep shooting until I kill him.
Flop. I grab the
That's
dead
enough.
gerbil and look at the last poison that I was working on him.
Okay, roll for intelligence, Floppy.
Roll for cum.
What if I get a 1 on the shooting?
You hit an asteroid and a small chunk starts to hit your hits your turret.
And small chunk goes right through your skull and you die.
So I have 2 rounds left, and I've damaged the turret.
Yep. That turret is no longer functional.
Damn.
Fuck's sake.
Floppy, this fucking ship flies like ass.
My intelligence is
fucking ship.
my intelligence is +1, Seth.
What is this made out of? Paper mache?
So
What
your
is this, the Toyota Space Prius?
This Toyota Sprius.
so your poison experiment in the med lab it has a poison that only affects aliens.
Oh.
How did it kill that gerbil?
Don't get any fucking crazy ideas.
I have an idea.
If you're gonna do what I think you're gonna do, then you could just fuck off right now.
If we put Thomas in a spacesuit and we release it in a gas form, it'll kill her in the vent.
I'm an alien.
Okay, then we give both of you.
And Daisuke is also.
Well,
an
I've
alien.
got a solution that might be an ass pull if Seth is willing to let me.
Everyone
like,
in here
do
is
it.
an alien except for you and Trish.
What is your plan, Theo?
I shapeshift into like a dog or some small animal, climb through the vents, and murder that little
Why did I
bitch.
forget that you could do that?
Oh.
That's
To be
what I
fair-
was thinking. Which is why I asked if there was like a gerb, like a rodent or something that I could absorb, so I could shapeshift into like I could shapeshift into it.
And why a fly doesn't work?
Fly is like I probably could, but that's like too small. It's like why the fuck would John Carpenter's Thing morph into a fly? It'd die in an instant.
In an instant.
There
Like a rat is at least resilient.
aren't any pests on the ship aside from the dead gerbil.
Okay, well, let me just write in my backstory that I once absorbed my neighbor's fucking, like, chihuahua at some point. There we go, problem solved.
Do we have to? Do we need to make him roll for this?
No, it's just a mechanic.
Roll for retroactivity.
Yeah. I
Roll
feel like
for nostalgia.
I'm not
Asperger's
gonna have
needs
you
to be
roll,
rolled.
Theo.
Roll for nostalgia.
Roll for what?
Are you a real
Roll
90s
for
kid?
if this
Did you
has
absorb a
actually
chihuahua
happened.
when you were like 12?
Morgan, what the fuck are you doing all this?
There's not much I can really contribute, to be honest. There's nothing that my set of skills would be able to like add that would make things go any faster.
Well, you tried this really crazy plan. I'm going to synthesize a gas form for a backup.
I just walk to where, like, everyone is and just politely ask, what is happening?
I'll fill him in on the
dying.
situation.
I'm in cannon shooting them.
Oh,
I ask again,
Morgan,
what
you're
is happening?
fucking right. Jesus.
Fill him in on the
Nice.
situation.
Thank you.
okay.
I say, where's the vent? Where did she
It's-
crawl into?
I point to the vent.
Unscrew
There.
it.
It's already unscrewed.
Everybody leave the room.
Everyone but Trish leaves is already.
Yeah, I'm just.
I've asked
in,
Trish to leave the room.
I'm in a cannon,
All right.
which is like just above the.
The engineer is running to your cannon to try and fix it.
Alright, now once Trish is out of the room, I'll shapeshift into a dog. Into like a little chow, little thing. And I try to make, well, where is the vent located? Is it up like near the top, or is it near like the floor?
It's up top.
Okay, I bark.
He's trying to tell you something.
I bark.
Uh huh.
Hello?
I claw at the door a bit and bark.
Is anybody in there?
I shapeshift back into a human, and I shout, when I bark, come in and lift me into the vent. Then I shapeshift back into a dog and bark again.
I run in like top speed and I throw the dog in there. Because I love dogs.
And I growl.
Dog.
I growl from the pain. Did I take damage from that?
No.
No.
That's just like, you do that, and then it's just like...